Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm showcasing the Wyze cam. This is the new indoor and outdoor model. This is version 3. The prices on these cameras are very low, so that's very good for you. You can buy multiple cameras. You can use this indoor and outdoor. The apps work with the iPhone, they work with the Android, also works with the Amazon voice assistant, the Google Home voice assistant, and works with IFTTT. This is the wired model. Here's some details. You can pause the video and take a look, but it has two-way audio, 1080p, full HD, 24/7 recording. They also sell these micro SD cards that you can slip into the camera itself. Comes with all the mounting hardware kit right here that you would need. Here's the cable and the charger and the camera itself. You can see on the back it has the wired charging cord there, and you can attach it to the base and you can also move it. So it's fully movable and adjustable there. It also has person detection. It has full-length motion recording. Now there's two asterisks there because they do have a premium cloud plan. They have a free cloud plan, and you can record video to this card. So that's a nice reason to have that. And it has color night vision. So it's one of the first small cameras at this price point, which is very good, that has color night vision. So do check that out. It's from Wyze. And this is the version 3, just announced and released indoor-outdoor camera. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.